Welcome to Lexion's comprehensive pneumo management and CO2 conditioning system. Lexion is a world leader in advanced gas conditioning technology for minimally invasive procedures. In this video, we will show you how to use your high-flow, one-way intelligent insufflator, the AP5030, your CO2 conditioning trocar, the InsuFlow port, and your active smoke eliminator, the NuView XE, to create the optimal surgical insufflation environment. Before we begin, ensure your AP5030 insufflator is properly hooked up to your power source using the Lexion issued power cable. Insert into a grounded wall socket, the opposite end into the device jack located on the rear of the machine. Connect to your OR's gas source using the proper gas connection and hose. Turn on your insufflator using the power button. Using the touchscreen display, select Settings and Gas Supply. Ensure your gas source is set up correctly by selecting Bottle or House Gas, corresponding with your OR. The AP5030 can be operated in high flow, bariatric, pediatric, vessel harvest, and TAMIS modes. Upon selection, set nominal pressure and flow using the plus and minus signs. Actual flow rate and actual pressure will be displayed on your home screen. To begin flow of gas, select Start on the touchscreen. The InsuFlow port delivers heated and humidified CO2 up to 31 liters per minute to distend the abdomen. Each InsuFlow port is equipped with 3 elements: heating, humidity, and high flow. Remove InsuFlow port from sterile packaging. In your sterile package, you will receive a syringe. On the sterile field, insert 80 to 90 milliliters of saline or sterile water. Hand off to your circulating nurse. The circulating nurse will place the syringe in the canister of the AP5030. Press down on the adjustable plate button. Slide back the adjustable plate so that the back of the syringe is in full contact. Lock the humidity connection of your InsuFlow port tubing to the syringe. This enables the guaranteed 95% relative humidity application to your CO2. Please note that the syringe does not need to be refilled, and the adjustable plate will need to be reset prior to the next case. Insert the data link on your InsuFlow port into the corresponding outlet on the AP5030. Upon insertion, your machine will initialize and present a screen depicting prime or no prime. Select Prime. This enables the real-time pressure sensing of your InsuFlow port and enables the guaranteed 95 Fahrenheit heating of your CO2. You can check the status of your heat in real time by these symbols on your home screen. Insert the tubing of your InsuFlow port onto the insufflation tube connection located on the front of the AP5030. The outer lumen gas channel on the tip of the InsuFlow port guarantees radial gas dispersion, optimizes visualization, and increases flow rate. To begin flow of gas, select Start on the touchscreen. Refer to the gas consumption meter to see CO2 utilization. In the sterile packaging of the InsuFlow port, you will have a Verus adapter. On the sterile field, have ready your Verus adapter and InsuFlow port. Please note the valve located on the tubing of your InsuFlow port. Take either end of the Verus adapter and lock onto the valve. Lock the opposite end of the adapter to your Verus needle. Whilst using the Verus needle, be sure the short end of the stopcock is pointed in the direction of the adapter. Your actual gas flow should read between 2 to 4 liters per minute, indicating you are fully in the peritoneum. Insert the InsuFlow port into the abdomen. The InsuFlow port is best used as your assist port. Be sure the black pressure sensor is visible in the peritoneum. Remove the obturator. Once the InsuFlow port has been inserted into the abdomen, turn the stopcock so that the long end is pointed in the direction of the port for a safe and seamless transition for flow of CO2. The AP5030 insufflator measures pressure within the abdomen either continuously when paired with the InsuFlow port or in conventional insufflation mode when using the InsuFlow device or standard high-flow tubing. The AP5030 constantly compares nominal and actual abdominal pressure. Any overpressure within the abdomen is lowered to the preset nominal pressure by the automatic venting system. The NuView XE is an active smoke eliminator that removes plume and all harmful contaminants associated with combustion. Remove NuView XE from sterile packaging. Door lock the NuView XE to a trocar on the field. For optimal smoke evacuation, select the largest trocar opposite your InsuFlow port. Using the variable speed setting, manually set your smoke evacuation level. Setting 1 removes 4 to 6 liters per minute. Setting 2 removes 7 to 9 liters per minute. Setting 3 removes 10 to 12 liters per minute. For extra smoke evacuation, press the turbo button to remove an additional 3 liters per minute. Hand off the other end of the NuView XE to the circulating nurse. Insert the connection into suction canister, Neptune, or other suction source. Note that the NuView XE requires its own suction canister. Ensure that your vacuum source is set to maximum capacity. Each NuView XE is equipped with a vacuum brake, which eliminates the ability of any suction system to pull an unsafe negative pressure on the patient. You are now ready to use the Lexion system. Please contact your representative with any questions. Thank you.